Hey guys, it's Cam from EasyA. This video is going to be on Pythagoras' theorem, so let's get started. First, let's look at some definitions. Right-angled triangles are extremely useful in geometry. This is any triangle that has a right angle in it. The longest side of this triangle, or the side opposite the right angle, is known as the hypotenuse. So, let's say we know two sides of a right-angled triangle and want to calculate the third. Well, we can use Pythagoras' theorem to do this. This says that the hypotenuse length squared is equal to the sum of the squares of the other sides. We can see this by drawing squares with the same side length as the triangle. This has area of the side length squared. We can see that the square on the hypotenuse has the same area as the other two squares added up. Let's divide them up into equal area squares to see this. The two smaller squares have areas of 9 and 16, and the hypotenuse square has area of 25, showing that the theorem works. Let's look at some examples. We want to find the hypotenuse of this triangle here. So, apply Pythagoras' theorem and substitute in the numbers to find that the hypotenuse is 10 centimeters long. We can of course also do this when we want to find a side that isn't the hypotenuse, but we've got to rearrange the formula first. To find the side B, first subtract a squared from both sides and then take the square root of both sides. Then we can substitute in the numbers to find that B is 12 centimeters long. If we have 2 points on coordinate axes, we can use Pythagoras' theorem to find the distance between them. First, draw a right-angled triangle like this with the sides aligned in the x and y axes. The hypotenuse of this triangle is the distance between the points. So, first let's find the length of the sides, as this is the distance between the points and the right-angled point of the triangle. Then, we can use Pythagoras' theorem to show that the distance between them is 5. At higher level, you'll need to be able to use Pythagoras' theorem on 3D shapes. Here, we want to find the diagonal AG, which is the longest diagonal in the box. However, we can't do this directly. Let's first draw the box from a top-down view. The triangle we can use to find x has the diagonal AF in it, so we want to find that first, and we can do this from our top-down view. So, using the right-angled triangle ABF, we can find the diagonal AF, which is labelled as D, using Pythagoras' theorem. Then, we want to find the triangle AFG, which will allow us to find x, so draw this out. Then we'll have to use Pythagoras' theorem for a second time to find x. Notice that D is a surd. At higher level, you'll have to use surds with Pythagoras, but this is no different to using whole numbers. So, again, apply Pythagoras, substitute in D, and we can find a value for x, which is root 29 centimeters. Thank you for watching this EasyA Maths recap video. Check out our YouTube channel for more maths recaps, or get the EasyA app on the Apple and Android app stores to get unlimited on-demand maths tutoring right from your smartphone.